Hello friends, welcoming to you. Last time discuss lesson number 4, part number 1st. The title name is Valbhi Vidyasthanam, Valbhi, the place of learning. Today start part number 2. First of all, we will revise part 1 for few minutes. In this lesson, we saw now there are many universities that are very famous. Even in the old days, there were many such university in our India. Here in Gujarat, there was Valbhi at present in Bhavnagar district, which is in our Gujarat state. There is one Shabarab by the name Valbhipur, where in ancient time there was Valbhi University. Let's go part number 2. Please first off open your textbook and attentively listen. First I read line by line. After I do translation. Page number 14, para number 2. Start para number 2. वस्तुतः इदम उपनगरम प्राचीन कालादेव अध्ययन अध्यापनस्य केंद्रम आसीत्. Actually, this suburb was the center of learning and teaching from ancient time. Purvam atra, this is all the sandri. Purva atra ashtadash vidyayaha pathanam cha bhavati sma. In the past, here the learning and teaching of 18 vidyas. एतांसु विद्यासु चत्वारो वेदा षट् वेदांगानि पुराणम न्याय मीमांसा स्मृति आयुर्वेद धनुर्वेद गंधर्ववेद अथर्ववेदा चत्वारा उपवेदा च समाविष्टा सन्ति. ए रूप फॉर सन्ति अस धातु रूप. A present tense, third person, plural roop. As dhatu, in roop for as dhatu, first person, asmi swaha smaha, asistha stha, astistha santi. Upaveda samavishta santi. Used here the learning and teaching of the 18 vidyas used to take place. Among them were included the 4 Vedas, 6 Vedangas, Puran, Nyay, Mimamsa, Smriti, or Ayurveda, Dhanurved, Gandharvaved, Atharvaved, and the 4 Upavedas. Tatra Bodh Darshanasya Jaina Darshanach idam Kendram Sajatam. Later this became the center of Jain and Buddhist philosophy. Khistasya Chaturthya Satabdhyam Rugvedasya Bhashyakar Skanda Swami Sajat. Most important sentence is this. Khristasya Chaturthya Satabdhyam, in the 4th century AD, Skanda Swami, the commentator of Rigveda lived. He lived sa atriva avasat. He lived here only. Etad suchiyati yatra gupta kale atra vedadhyanam api prachalati sma. This indicates that in the Gupta period, even the study of Veda was going on. ख्रिस्तस्य चतुर्थ्या शताब्द्यां सुप्रसिद्धो बोधाचार्यो, a most important Bodhacharya. The Bodhacharya name is Sthirmati Gunamati, and Jaina Acharya's name is the Mallavadi Suri. The most important sentence. Christasya Chaturthya Shatabdhyam eva Suprasiddho Bodhacharyo Sthirmati Gunamati Jain Acharya. Jain Acharya Srimalvadi Suri Cha Atreva Vidya Vyasangam Kurvanti Sma. Vidya Vyasanga, a meaning for the study. So, in the 4th century AD, only the every famous Buddhist teachers, name is Thiramati and Gunamati, and Jain teacher Srimalvadi Suri were studying here only. एतद् सूच्यति यत्र यद अत्र जैन बौद्ध दर्शनाम अपि अध्ययनं प्रचलति स्म. एतद् सूच्यति यद अत्र, डिसॉल्व संधि, यद अत्र जैन दर्शनम अपि अध्ययनं प्रचलति स्म. तो दिस indicate that the study of Jain and Buddha philosophy was also going on here. Atra yatha ruchi yatha mati chhatraha apathan रूप for the past tense, जिन्हें हिंदी में ह्यस्तन भूतकाल कहते हैं. ये ह्यस्तन भूतकाल यानी पास्ट टेंस के थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल का ये रूप अम व म स तम त ताम अन्न अपठन्न. अत्र यथा रुचि यथा मत्री छात्राः अपठन्न. हियर द स्टूडेंट्स स्टडीड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्रवेशार्थम अत्र प्रवेश परीक्षा अपि भवति स्म, लाइक एंड इंटेलिजेंसी. There used to be entrance test also for admission here. Tam utirya, dissolve the sandhi, tam utirya eva atra chhatrasya praveshah sakya asita. Only after passing it the admission was possible. Without test no admission. तो बिगर परीक्षा दिए छात्र को प्रवेश नहीं मिलता था. यानी only after passing and in the admission was possible. ख्रिस्तस्य पंचम्यां शताब्द्यां इदम उपनगरम मैत्रकाणां राजधानी आसीत. In the 5th century AD, this suburb was the capital city of Maitrak kings. मैत्रकाणां व्यवस्थानुसारम अध्ययनस्य समाप्त्या अंतरम वादसभायां शास्त्रार्थ भवति स्म. मैत्रकाणां व्यवस्थानुसार according to procedures laid down by Maitrakas, after the competition of study, there used to be season of interpreting शास्त्रार्थ विभिन्नानां मतमतांतराणां खंडन मंडन पूर्वक विमर्श भवति स्म. The meaning, interpreting the meaning of scriptural passing in the debating assembly in the season called the debating assembly, called the shastrarth. There used to be discussion considering of refusing khandana and proceeding establishing of different ideas. अनेकास्म विजयी जनानां राजा पारितोषिक रूपेण भूमिम अयच्छत्. कदाचित् विजयी जनानां नामानि विद्यापीठस्य द्वारे उत्कीर्णानि अभवन्. And before arriving at the conclusion, the king gave land as a reward to the many candidates who were victorious some time. The name of the victorious were inscribed on the door of the university. ख्रीस्तस्य पूर्व प्रायः पंचम शताब्द्यां भगवत महावीरस्य जन्मम् अभवत्. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट लाइन, ख्रीस्तस्य पूर्वे महावीर स्वामी was born approximately in the 5th century BE century. तस्मिन् काले भगवता महावीरेण यह उपदेशः प्रदत्तः स आगम नामना प्रसिद्धः वर्तते. Then is famous by the name Agam. This Agam was saved for 500. उपदेश अयम आगम वर्ष 500 यावत् मौखिक परंपरायाः सुरक्षितः आसीत्. This Agam was saved for 500 years in the oral tradition. It is ended here that in the 3rd century अय आगम वर्ष एव ही श्रूयते यत् ख्रीस्तस्य तृतीयायाः शताब्द्यां नागा अर्जुना नामना प्रसिद्धस्य विदुषः अध्यक्षताम् एकां जैन साधूनां समिति मिलित्वा is of Jaina in for 500 years in the oral tradition. It is ended here in the 3rd century. 3rd century ADA council of Jain monks met under the chairmanship of the famous scholar. इवही श्रूयते यत् ख्रीस्त अध्यक्षतां नागार्जुना chairmanship of the famous scholar Nagarjuna in this the proposal of write down अश्यतम आगम ग्रंथानां लेखनस्य प्रस्तावो अभवत्. Proposal of writing down the Agam Granth was placed. Mahavir speech transcribed here become अत्र लेखबद्धाः वाणी वल्भी वाचना नामना प्रसिद्ध जाता. Mahavir speech tradition here become famous by the name वल्भी वाचना. ख्रीस्तस्य 9वीं शताब्द्यां वल्भी नगरस्य विनाशः अभवत्. In the 9th century, added the suburb of Valbi was renewed, but even today it is remains. परंतु तस्य अवशेषा अद्यापि तस्य समृद्धिं सूचयति. Indicate is prosperity. In this way, Valabhi was one of the ancient center of learning. एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु वल्लभी एकतम आसीत् इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते. Indicate is prosperity. In this way, Valabhi was one of the ancient centers of learning in India, and in history it still is. वल्लभी विद्या, जो वल्लभी विद्या है, यानी जो सेंटर नेम इज वल्लभीपुर, अभी जो वल्लभीपुर के नाम से जानते हैं वही सेंटर वल्लभी विद्या. इन ख्रीस्तस्य 9वीं शताब्दी, इन द 9th century, it is the suburb of Valabhi was reigned, but even today it is remains. उनके अवशेष आज भी वहाँ पर है और इनसे वल्लभी विद्या केंद्र यहाँ मौजूद था, ऐसी जानकारी हमें मिलती है. ऐसी ये जानकारी आपको यहाँ पार्ट 2 में वल्लभी विद्या स्थान में कौन कौन सी विद्या ज्ञात होती थी, कौन कौन से अभ्यास यानी वेद, उपवेद, शास्त्र, न्याय, मीमांसा, पुराण, सब विद्या एक ही जगह बच्चों को मिलती थी. उनकी ये विद्या के बारे में आपको यहाँ पर दिखाया है. पार्ट नंबर 2 is over. Lesson 4th totally over. First, write a glossary, a word meanings. After translation and question answer. Good day, goodbye. Jai Swami Narayan.